Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome once again to the southern wing of the Stink Bug Works. Today, I'm involved in an activity I'll bet you haven't seen me do, or if you have, it's been a long time since you've seen me do it. Today, I'm charging batteries. What's that? Charging batteries? Why, that means you're going to go to the pond and actually run something. You're not going to talk about it. You're actually going to go out and do it. Yes, I know. Oh, that's the other one. Those two are ready. Today, I'm charging up 2 sets of batteries for the Micro Twin Cat. That's that thing from Toucan Hobbies. I'm going to charge up 2 sets of batteries for the Tunnel Jet, and I'm going to charge up 4 batteries for the Mozilla 400. So we should have some good running time. Yes, I know you're done. Here, silence. Silence. Okay. As for the American dream, or the American spirit, I'm still working on it. The white eco boats over on the eastern wing of the Stink Bug Works, it's just kind of hanging out there. The little red eco boat, since I had all the parts I needed to finish it, the white one I needed a different speed control, issues about real estate. So I needed different speed controls, so it's going to wait for something that will fit. The little red one, the little red one, this thing is cool. I mean, look at it. It looks like nothing. So I've mounted the motor and the drive shaft in this whopping 24 millimeter propeller. It's full of jam foam, and the only place for the jam foam is in that, oops, I just broke my jam foam, is in that big hollow spot above the battery. And here's what you get. So the batteries have been Velcroed down to the bottom of the hull. Remember, I want all my weight up high when it's upside down, so it wants to do that. So I Velcroed those in there. The Mystery 30 to go with the Mystery 3000, so that's all good. I used a little Cirrus CS10 because that's the only battery I had that fit the exact mounting hole spacing. The Surpass servo that I used on the white boat, it almost fit. You know, I had to modify the holes ever so slightly. But on these commercially available things, they don't always fit the servos you have in your bin. So when you think, wait, this thing's ready to go, I'm going to use this little tiny receiver, which is part of this little tiny toy transmitter. But that's part of the benefit of being small, that you can bang them around and throw them into a case like this, and it's just not a big deal. And this case is designed to stick to Velcro, so there's your batteries. So that's all good. That's just going to be my driving around in the truck and cooking off. So anyway, I'm going to go. It looks like I've got 3 batteries ready to go. I'll put this back in there. I got 3 batteries ready to go, so I'll fix that, and I'll meet you guys out at the lake. Until then, jet out. Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to beautiful Santee Lake number 2. Out there is the Mozilla 400. It still isn't quite ready for self-riding. I do have a little tiny turn fin on it, so we'll see how it does. Oh, it turns much better now with that turn fin on it. It gets kind of wet in the turn. Uh-oh. That sounds like a thermal cutoff. Did it not like that prop? Okay, boys and girls, I'm gonna jet out for a second. And see why that happened. Jet out. Okay, boys and girls, here we go again. We have this little tiny twin catamaran here. So we're gonna see how this runs. This new guy came out here, moved in right next to me, so tough luck. I was here first. So this is the little twin cat. It's a little twitchy on steering. I think it's time for dual rates. So it's not real fast, but it's quick enough. It gets a little loose. I think I need to move the CG forward a bit. Yeah, it gets out of control just a taste. I should probably bring it in and check temperatures, and I'll do that after a pass or two. You know what? This is a whole lot easier way to pick it up. Jet out. What? My phone won't turn off? Okay, like these kids came right in front of me. We'll just go out and cut their line. Okay, so this is with the 3000 kV motor. I don't know how it'll run. We'll see. Definitely slower. Hops in the corners. We're going to have to play with the CG on this thing. Ride attitude's good, but it's definitely low on power with that motor. It's slow. Those kids got the idea that, you know, coming right in front of me and fishing in front of me is not the brightest idea. Ride attitude is good. Hops in the corners. I would like a little more speed, but you know what? That might not be bad for this little haul. Ooh, that didn't sound good at all. I might be done for the day. Let's see what I broke. What did I break? Oh, I broke nothing, but I stuck it a long ways into the mud. Ooh, I peeled back some fiberglass, cracked the tip. That's repairable. Oh, the strut angle, look at that, yeah. I need down angle and I have up angle. Jet out. Well, we've had limited success today, but I think that little guy might have the power to push in a micro. There you go. These props do not counter rotate, so it'll turn that way going backwards, but it will not turn. Oh, there it will. You got to have. Oh, I see. Well, that's kind of cool. I think that might have the power to push something in. You put a push bar on it and a big battery. A couple of 4070 2000 kV motors and run it on 12S. Yeah. Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay. Jet out.